Hi everyone, today is going to be a first impressions of the QSP parrot. I have left this in its box, haven't even touched it since I got it because I've been busy trying to do all different type of things. So finally getting around to it. Now I really like the presentation of this box. It may not come through, but you can see kind of really gold, and I just like the look of the box. Now you get this card. Let me see if I can get it in focus. I know this is going to take forever, but okay, come on. I'll just read it to you since I can't really get it in focus. It says, every QSP knife is guaranteed against defects in material and workmanship and has a limited lifetime warranty. The specific conditions, please check on the QSP website telling you to contact them. Then it has a little diagram of the knife with the stats, which I really like, to be honest, because it's easier for me just to read them off. And guys, if you are looking for the stats in my videos, I am not really a stats guy. If that's something you'd want to see, please let me know. I usually just leave a link so you can go check out the stats in your own time. Now, looking it over, little lanyard hole there. Left or right-handed, it's lefty friendly. Bonus. Tip up only. So according to this, it says 4-inch handle, which, if you look, if that's a 4-inch handle, it can, yeah, just about fits my hand. 3.25 inch blade, 3¼ inch blade, and 440C steel. Now 440C is one of my favourite steels, so this is a bonus for me. Ooh, I like that. Now, I've noticed this with some of the liner locks, they put jimp in there, and it, honestly, it's not comfy. This is really comfortable to close. Like, comfortable to open, comfortable to close. It's just an all-round nice knife. Now, I will leave a link to this in the description, like I said. But something that strikes me, I don't know whether you can see it, but let me search around here. There it is. The Ontario Rat Model 1. This to me is about Ontario Rat Model 2 size, I think. And I think this is cheaper than the Ontario Rat Model 2, so I don't know. I'd have to get a Rat Model 2 in hand to see how I feel about it. But I think this might match up to it in some way. I like it, but there you can see the size comparison as well. Should put that like that. There you go, guys. This was just a quick, it's just going to be a quick video. Quick first impressions of this. Now, this is going to be a fun little carry around the house whilst we're in quarantine. If you wonder, do these actually get used? Yes, they do. I spend most of my time in the house, and when I do go out, I always carry my slip joints, so they get used. They also get used around the house. Pretty much everything gets used on a daily basis for something or another around here. But yeah, this is going to be fun to carry. I got a couple more videos coming up for you. I'm going to be releasing one a week still, just due to the fact of, you know, during the quarantine time with finances being the way they are, I can only afford one a week, guys. I'm sorry. I'm still trying to get content out there for you and still trying to be able to do everything else. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.